I was born and raised here in Spokane and have basically lived here all my life with the exception of 3 years that I spent at the University of Washington. I went to Gonzaga University Law School. In my class of 1975, there were 6 women who actually graduated out of a class of about 160. A fellow classmate of mine and I opened the first all-women's law firm here in town. During the 76 to 79, I and a number of other women formed Washington Women Lawyers here in Spokane. We got together for our mutual issues that we had and also just for the camaraderie and the support. I had been the first woman full-time court commissioner from November of 1979 to November of 1988, and I became the first woman judge to be seated on the Spokane County Superior Court.
She's always willing to be a mentor to young attorneys and to help advance and be a role model for female attorneys.
Judge O'Connor started as a judge in Spokane County the year I was born. To think of her being in her 3rd year of practice where I'm at now, of then going on and being the first commissioner in a county where you're the only woman on the bench and then to go on to be the only judge, for me that's incredible. Careers like hers really shape the legal community that I'm now a part of.
I just thought it was so cool to be in the courtroom, to be a lawyer. For me, the courtroom was the only place I wanted to be.
She's known as a tough judge, but she's respected because she's tough on everyone. She expects you to follow the rules. She expects you as the lawyers to apply the law. And she doesn't shy away from making tough decisions or maybe unpopular decisions.
Imagine 5 days a week, all day, working for Judge O'Connor. I began when I was 25 years old, and I knew that the bar was set very high. The judge demands the best from her staff, as well as those who appear in front of her. When I told Judge O'Connor that I wanted to go back to school to get my master's degree, I was working for her full time, and she encouraged me. I was a single mom, and without her motivating me and pushing me to really do my best, I wouldn't be where I am. And I can't thank her enough for everything that she has done for me, personally and professionally.
I am so excited and was so excited over the years to see more and more and more women added to the judicial ranks. Today we have at every level of court here in Spokane County and the city of Spokane, we have more women sitting on the bench than men. Well, that's pretty good. I can't say I knew what to expect when I started in November 1979, but I remember seeing something that said my retirement date would be 2010, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's like eons away, eons. And of course it turned out to be 2016. I was really shocked when I got the email, and then I found out that Washington Women Lawyers had nominated me for the award. I appreciate, just more than I can say, how much that means to me. It's really been a highlight of my career.